Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can download or install your WhatsApp on your phone. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Play Store on your mobile. Then on the search bar, type WhatsApp. Hit enter. After that, you will see an install option beside the WhatsApp Messenger. You tap on it. As you can see, my WhatsApp Messenger is being downloaded. After your WhatsApp Messenger has been installed, you simply tap on the open button. This will lead you to your WhatsApp app. Then you go ahead and continue with this process. Tap on agree and continue. Enter your phone number and then tap on next. After that, you tap on OK and then tap on continue if you like this method of verification. You can also pick other methods of verification. However, this is the easiest one. So you tap on continue. You tap on allow. Now to verify your phone number, WhatsApp will call you in a few seconds. After that, the verification will be completed automatically on its own. As you can see, my WhatsApp application has been successfully installed on my phone and I have also registered into it successfully. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.